Good day conveyed to both my panel Encik Amar Faiz bin Zainal Abidin and T.S. Tengku Muhammad Faizal bin Tengku Wook. I am Yovendiran M. Nagaswaran from 3BEEE Section 1 Group 2 would like to present upon my final year project research paper entitled Development of Ingenious Eyeball Motion Detector System. The problem statement for my research paper is a physically challenged individual have a major problem to move from one place to another in daily basis and also to perform their daily routine. My research paper is believed to help solve a problem whereby a physically challenged individual do not have to seek for any healthy individual to move from one place to another or to perform their daily task. The objective of my research paper is number 1, to develop sensor on detecting an eyeball movement of an individual. Number 2, to analyze the data of the sensor for device used according to an eyeball movement. And objective number 3 is going to be to study the best way of sensor integration that can fit any form of system or device. Next, the expected result of my research paper is this system may prove to operate according to the needs of the user. Number 2, eyeball movement can be detected and this function to drive or move any objects. Number 3, to serve physically challenged individual, no matter in terms of carrying an object to perform their daily task or to move from one place to another. Number 4, detect the eyeball movement of an individual and identifies the specific direction intended by the user, which means this eyeball motion detector system must detect the eyeball of an individual and also specifically identify the direction intended by the user. Now, let's go upon our hardware selection. I chose Arduino Uno Revolution 3 as my development board consisting of microcontroller Atmega 16U2 and also microcontroller Atmega SIG328P. For the next hardware selection is going to be infrared LED sensor. Microcontroller Arduino Uno development board serve as the controller for the whole system. This infrared LED sensor serve as the detection for the eyeball movement. And also PlayStation Eye camera. This PlayStation Eye camera will be interfaced with infrared LED sensor, which enhance the system efficiency to detect the eyeball movement of an user. Now, let's go upon software selection. Since our development board is being chosen Arduino Uno Revolution 3, our software is going to be Arduino IDE. Arduino IDE is an integrated development environment to program our Arduino development board consisting of microcontroller Atmega 328P and also open framework software. This open framework software enables us to detect our direction of an eyeball using the infrared LED sensor, which means this open framework software helps us to recognize and to prove that our system works according to our eyeball movement. Now, let's go through our flowchart for my proposed system. First, initially, the system starts. When the system starts, system initialization happens, which means PlayStation Eye camera interfaced with infrared LED sensor is ready to detect an eyeball movement of an individual. So once the infrared LED sensor detects the movement of the eyeball motion, then this eyeball motion detection can be seen through the personal computer, or else the system repeats the loop where it is going for the system initialization. The advantages of this proposed development of INGENIOUS eyeball detection system is actually to help physically disabled individuals to carry their task by their own or without any assistance from other individuals, as this sensor is applicable for various applications. The main disadvantages of this system is that this system requires a monthly maintenance and cannot be used in case of power failure as at residential area in case is not pre-planned charged according to the usage. So for the conclusion, this development of an INGENIOUS eyeball motion detection system is aimed and believed to help physically challenged individuals to perform their daily tasks without any struggle or being dependent on any other individuals, and can operate merely anything just by using their eyeball. Thank you very much.